Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how can we deploy our MERN project on Azure for free. So without wasting further time, let's get started. First of all, just click on create a resource, click on web app, just follow all the steps, choose your subscription, choose your resource group. If you don't have already, just create a new. I'm having demo, so we will go with demo. Now give your website any name. So let's say here I'm giving Azure MERN, okay, and publish. You can choose code and runtime stack. So mine is MERN, so I will be choosing Node. So Node 18 LTS. Go with that. Further, you can choose your operating system, that is Linux or Windows. So let's go with Windows, right? And after choosing Windows, see your region, whichever is nearer or close to you. So I'm going with just East US by default. And just choose your Windows plan that is created, and if not, just click on create new, okay? And carefully you can choose your pricing plan also. So mine is right now free F1, that is shared infrastructure. Just click on review and create. Click on create. You can see your status in the notifications. It will take some time according to your internet speed and your region. Deployment is in still progress, so we will wait for it. Okay, once it's done, you will be getting a notification. So we will be clicking on go to resource button. Okay, so you can see here your resource group, your status, it's running right now, right? And this is the default domain for our website. If I click on it right now, so it's not showing anything. Your web app is running and waiting for your content. That means your code. So once we will deploy our code, our website will be shown over here. Okay, now let's see how can we deploy our code. So what you need to do is, let's go to VS Code. Let me show you my project. So this is my project structure. I'm having controllers, middleware, models and routes. This is the server-side coding, and I have front-end folder. Okay, so this is basically of React. And in the project structure, what you need to do is go to index.js in your backend, go to server.js or index.js, and just add these 4 lines in your file above the app.listen. Just add these 4 lines. What will it do? A server will be knowing where the front-end project string is stored and where is your main file, that is index.html. Okay, so from index.html, your front-end, that is React, will be started. Okay, so don't forget to write these 4 lines. And second change in the code is go to front end and .env file, just add the route. Okay, so what you have to do is copy the default domain from your Azure web portal and paste it over here. Okay, with https:// and then your default domain name. Okay, once it is done, what you need to do is go to front end directory, cd front end. Okay, and you have to build your front end project by running the command npm run build. Okay, and then just press enter. It will take some time. I have already done it over here just to save the time. So see, my build folder is already here. Okay, And what you need to do is write the command npm run build over here and then press enter. It will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. After that is done, push your code to the GitHub. Okay. I have already pushed my code to the GitHub to save the time, and my repository name is Azure deploy, and you can see the project structure is same. All the files are pushed over here. And now what we're gonna do is we will deploy our project from the GitHub. So let's get back to the Azure portal. Okay, on the Azure portal, click on Deployment Center. Okay, on the Settings tab, select Source Code. So choose GitHub. Then change your provider to App Service Build Service. Click OK. Select your account. My GitHub account is already there. And then select your organization. Select the repository where you have pushed your code. So mine is Azure deploy, and branch will be main always. After doing this, just click on save. Okay, you will be seeing something like no deployments found. If you have just configured CI/CD, refresh logs. So what should we do now? We will be clicking on refresh button over here, and you will be seeing the status is running deployment. Okay, so we have to wait until the status is succeed. Okay, so it will take approximately 5 to 10 minutes. Let's click on refresh again. Okay, yeah, so it's done into approximately to 60 to 70 seconds only. So see, success is active, right? Now let's go back to overview and then click on the URL of your default domain. And see, once you click on the URL, it will show your website up, right? That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining.